am trying to build the tallest tower ever. But the blocks keep falling down. Oh no. That looks difficult. Do you need some help? Yes, I will help. I can hold the blocks steady while you stack them up high. Great idea! Together we can build the biggest tower in the whole room. Look! We are building so high now. You are holding the blocks so perfectly, and you are stacking them so carefully. Together we can make it even taller. We did it! Our tower is amazing. High five! Oh no! We need to move all these toys from this side to the other side. That is so much work. I do not think I can do it alone. But you do not have to do it alone. Remember how we built the tower together? We can move these toys together too. You are right. If we work together, it will be easy and fun. Let us start. Bubu, remember? When we work together, we can do tasks much faster. You are right. Let us each carry some toys. I will take the blocks and you take the balls. Great idea. Together we will finish this room so quickly. Wow! The room is completely clean and organized now. We did it together. Cooperation made the work fun and quick. When we help each other, we are stronger. Yes. Working together makes everything easier and more fun. Thank you for being my friend. Nini, we did such an amazing job cleaning the room together. Yes. Working together made it so much easier and more fun. When we help each other, we are stronger. And it makes us both so happy. We can do amazing things. Everyone is happier and stronger as a team. Thank you for learning with us.
Hi Bubu. I want to teach you how to play this fun game. First, we need to listen carefully to the rules.
Yes. I am so excited. Tell me.
Okay. So when I say go, you have to run to the tree and back. You need to pay attention because Bubu, I was explaining the game rules, but you were looking at the butterflies instead. You were not listening to me at all.
Oh no. I am sorry, Cloudie. I did not understand what you were saying because I was not paying attention. I feel bad.
When we listen to our friends, we can understand them better and have more fun together. Can we try again? Good listening means three important things, Bubu. First, look at the person who is talking to you. Second, stay quiet and do not interrupt. Let the speaker finish their thoughts. Third, think carefully about what they are saying. This helps you understand and connect with your friend. Now let us practice, Bubu. Sit down and look at me. I am going to tell you about my favorite game. I love playing tag because it is fun, it makes me move around, and I get to play with my friends.
I listened carefully to everything you said, Cloudie. I heard that you like tag because it is fun and you enjoy playing with friends.
Okay Bubu, here is the game. I will tell you a short story about my day. You need to listen very carefully. Do not look away. Do not interrupt me. After I finish, you will tell me what you heard. You will ask me one question about my story. This shows you listened well. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready, Cloudie. I will listen with my ears and my heart. I will not move. I will look at you the whole time.
Today I felt sad. My best friend had to move away to a new city far from here. I will miss playing with them every day. I will miss hearing their laugh. But I am happy that you listened to my feelings, Bubu. It helps me feel better. When someone listens to us, we feel loved and understood.
I am so happy I could help you, Cloudie. Listening to you makes me feel good too. Being a good listener is a true way to be a good friend.
Great job, Bubu. You listened to my story so carefully and guessed the answer correctly.
Thank you, Cloudie. I listened very carefully to every word you said. That is how I understood the game and won.
We make a great team when we listen to each other. This was so much fun.
Yes. Listening helps us understand and work together. I am so happy we played this game.
Friends, listening is very important. When we listen well, we understand what our friends are saying and feeling.
Good listening helps us solve problems together and have fun. It shows we care about our friends.
So remember, listen to your friends with your whole heart.
Wow! Look at this amazing art room, Pinpy. There are so many colorful supplies everywhere. I see paints, markers, crayons, paper, and so much more. We can create anything we imagine here. I picked up these paints and brushes, but I am not sure what to create. What if I make a mistake? Do not worry about mistakes, Pinpy. Let us paint something together. Creativity means trying new ideas and having fun. Look at my painting, Pinpy. This is a silly creature with 3 eyes, purple spots, and rainbow stripes. Haha, that is so funny and creative. I love it. There are no rules in art at all. Yes. We can paint anything we imagine. Our creativity is unlimited. Oh no! My clay sculpture is so wonky and crooked. It does not look right at all. Wait, Pinky. Those mistakes make your sculpture even more interesting and fun. It has
You are
personality.
right. My wonky sculpture is unique and special because it is different.
Look at all these colorful paper scraps, Pinky. I can cut and paste them to make a beautiful collage picture.
That sounds amazing. Can I try making a collage too? I want to create something special with all these shapes.
Yes. Cut the shapes however you want and stick them down. There is no wrong way to make art. Your creativity is unique and special. Pinky, let us work together on a giant mural. We can use drawings, paint, stickers, and patterns all mixed together.
I love that idea. We can both add our own ideas and make something wonderful together as a team.
When we create together and support each other, our imaginations can do anything. This mural shows that teamwork and creativity make magic. Wow! Look at our beautiful mural. We did it together.
I am so proud of what we created. Every color, every shape tells our story.
Yes. And we were not afraid to try new colors and designs. That is true creativity.
Let us cheer for our amazing creation. Hip hip hooray!
Remember, creativity is about having fun and being yourself. It is not about making something perfect.
That is right. The best part is trying new ideas without being afraid of mistakes. Every mistake helps us learn.
Now it is your turn. Go create something amazing. Paint, draw, build, or imagine anything you want.